just a skinny lad, never knew no good from bad, but I knew Thrunite flashlight since I was a tadpole. Left alone with the big fat flashy, I do. TC20 V2, this Thrunite flashlight is the bomb, you see. Oh, now listen, get yourself a Thrunite TC20. You will be able to see through the night. Yeah! What's up, everybody? Here's a review, flashlight review. Thrunite. Jessica, a lovely lady from China, sent me this Thrunite TC20 V2 flashlight. Okay, I'm going to unbox this here in a second, and when it gets dark tonight, I'm going to go outside by request and make a video of it outside. So it comes in this wonderful box. Take the box out. Comes in this protective sleeve. Always has this beautiful foam rectangle. Das Britannia. Oh, I could be a superhero. I could be right something. Accessories. Locking armband. This thing's great, man. Extra gaskets, extra stuff, protectors. A holster. You could just hook it to something, or it's got the belt loop here. And le charger to charge it. And you don't have to take the batteries out of the Thrunite flashlights, except for one, maybe a couple of them, but for the most part you just plug it right into the flashlight. And then we got some salad topper. They always give you some of this salad topper. That's a joke. Don't put this on your food. Thrunite. What do we got here? Get a free keychain light. Gift card. Subscribe to Thrunite YouTube channel. Get a free flashlight. Here's some type of fortune. Lottery numbers. Please screw down light head and tail cap tightly before use. That is a great fortune. And the directions in several different languages. But I have them here on my computer screen, so I'll read them to you. After I show you the flashlight, of course, let's take out the protective sleeve. And they sent me this one is the, this is the the TC20 V2 Desert Tan Cool White. So there it is. See about how big it is there? Figure this out real quick like. So it is 4.5 inches long, diameter about 4.5 inch diameter, 4.5 inches long. This is where you plug it in right here. It's one of the new C ports, and it comes with the cable, so you don't have to worry about any of that. And then this closes up. And this is your on multi-function. Hold it down to change levels. This little hook here. This is a nice flashlight, and I'm going to read you the parameters right now, or whatever it's called. So this is a LED, has a Cree XHP70. The lens anti-reflective coated, ultra clear, toughened glass lens. Reflector orange peel. Voltage, working voltage 2.75 to 4.2 volts. Material, aluminum T6061-T6. Surface finish premium type 3 hard anodized. Dimensions I already gave them to you. Weight 143 grams without the battery. Output. So on Firefly mode, that's 0.3 lumens. It'll run like that for 71 days for like extreme survival, I guess you can call that. And what else we got here? On low, it's like 35 lumens, and that's like the flashlights you get at the store, like a Home Depot or something. It could do that for 77 hours. At medium, it runs at 320 lumens, which is usually as bright as you'll need it for any situation, for most situations. And it'll run like that for 9 hours. On high, it is 1,853 lumens for 2 hours, 122 minutes. And then you got turbo, 4,068 lumens, It'll do that for 220 seconds, and then it'll run another 90 minutes at 1722 lumens. Okay, so 299 meters max distance, intensity 22,400 CD max. I don't know what that means. Impact resistance 1.5 meters, which I believe is like 9 feet. It says waterproof 2 meters, but I mean, I wouldn't put these in water. So there's your TC20 V2, and when it gets dark out tonight, I'm going to head outside and show you how this thing light up the neighborhood. All right, stand by. Night has fallen in this town, and I'm not just another clown. It is Thrunite TC20 V2, and if they click the link below, you can get one too. So, without further Mountain Dew, it is nightfall here in the land of John Felix. I have my Thrunite TC20 V2 sent to me by Jessica and Thrunite. Thank you so much for being a sponsor. As you can see, it is pretty gosh darn dark out here. So I'm going to run through the cycles of this flashlight and we'll go from there. Alright, so there's low. This is low. There's my little fire pit. Oh, let's see if the camera can focus. My little fire pit, my little stretch bar thing, my grapes, I don't know how clear those are coming in, my pineapple tree, which is barely coming in. There it is. The shed, the back fence. Okay, it's very dim, it's low. So now let's go to medium. Make sure this is medium. Medium. I forget how many lumens is this, but this is my fledgling fire pit. Here's my hobo stove, rocket stove. A little stretchy bar and some grapes, and you can definitely see my pineapple plant now. And you can see the shed, and you can see the owl that scares away the red shoulder hawks that are annoying. And you can see the back fence and the neighbor's house now, and that's on medium. Alright, let's switch it to high. Switch it to high. Low, medium, high. And then high, there you go. It's just like ridiculously bright. And that's not even the highest it goes. Stretch bar, grapes, pineapple, shed, owl, back fence. You can see clear as day. Let's go up in the tree. I mean, that's ridiculous. That's the immediate tree. Some trees a little further back, and still a little further back, and still further, and still further, and still further. Now I'm going to hit turbo and see what that looks like. So there's your turbo, and that's just super, I think that's 4,000 lumens or something. As you can see, it just lights up. This tree's going to be gone tomorrow. You see how bright that is? It's ridiculous. It's getting a little warm, but look at that turbo. It just lights up the whole backyard like nothing. Alright. So this is Thrunite. Thanks again, Thrunite Jessica. The link is going to be in the description. I'm sure there's a discount code in there. She always gives a discount. You can't beat this thing, man. Little tiny. I mean, it's sturdy as hell, but this little tiny flashlight puts out this much power. It's just ridiculous. I wonder how to do the strobe. There it is. And then you got a strobe. That's like 1700 lumen strobe. That's pretty good too. Strobe up in the trees. If you were strobing like low, medium, high, turbo, yeah, this is a flashlight and a half. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. What is it? Thrunite TC20 V2. Link in the description. Support the people who support me, and you know, that way you get something for your money. You're not just giving money away or donating. Thanks everyone for watching. Peace and tranquility and Thrunite to you all. Bye.